This 2026 Grand Design Momentum 399M is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 44 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep 6, air conditioning, microwave, smoke detector, LP detector, oven, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, TV, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, outdoor entertainment, raised patio, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Momentum 399M is 18,000 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.